Make sure that you've worked the soil very well. Dry or drought conditions contribute or improves fruit set and the eventual quality of the fruit. Pumpkin seeds takes between 7 to 10 days for them to emerge. Pumpkin is one of those crops I can advocate for you to try. The crop is very hardy. It is not that much affected by pests and diseases. You can consume the leaves, you can consume the pumpkin itself, and also, did you know that some Chinese tribes consume the vines of the pumpkins? Select varieties that are suitable for your area. For myself, I'm starting this variety called Waltham butternut, which is very famous out there. And therefore, in this video, let's share the journey of growing pumpkins, how to take care of pumpkins, and all those tips that may help you have a successful pumpkin production. Welcome. Pumpkins require a lot of water, and therefore it is ideal to start your pumpkin between March and May during the long rains, and also during the short rains between October and December. But that's specifically for the Kenyan climate. You may choose to check on your meteorological data in your area or country so that you may decide when is the perfect time to start your pumpkins, and you can as well contract your agronomist or extension officer for more details on what approach you should take. You may also choose to start pumpkins anytime if you have reliable irrigation, and drip irrigation will be ideal so that you don't wet the leaves, which contribute towards development of diseases like downy mildew. As much as pumpkins require a lot of water, it is important to note that dry or drought conditions contribute or improves fruit set and the eventual quality of the fruit. Therefore, you can start this crop in the greenhouse. It will do very well due to the high temperatures. Ideally, you should start pumpkins in well-draining soil. You can make a mound, or you can do raised beds to help improve drainage, which will affect the quality of your plant. If you are getting value from this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and we'll be very grateful for your support. Thank you. When planting pumpkins, you space them 1.5 to 2 meters between plant to plant so that each plant can have enough space for the vines to spread and get to give you the kind of quality fruits or pumpkins that you need. This is how our pumpkin seeds look like. They resemble most of the cucurbits like watermelon, sweet melon, and such. Planting your pumpkins, you make sure that you've worked the soil very well, and then you make a hole at least between 2 to 3 centimeters for you to start your seeds. When planting the seed, you need to plant it in this orientation because that's the orientation that your seedling will grow. It just helps the seed emerge faster from the soil. So we plant 2 seeds per hole, and then once they've emerged, we'll thin them according to how healthy they are. Pumpkin seeds takes between 7 to 10 days for them to emerge from the soil. Pumpkins are a perfect intercropping candidate. In fact, this will has a lot of benefits because it increases production of your area. It helps you diversify. It covers the ground, conserving moisture and suppressing weeds in the process. You can intercrop your pumpkins with corn or maize, and also legumes like beans, soybean, and other plants. You need to be pruning your pumpkins so that you don't have excessive number of vines, which will result in having a lot of pumpkins but with very poor quality. Therefore, I advocate for at least 3 vines per plant. They shouldn't be more than 5 for you to get the right quality. The challenges in pumpkin production will include pests and diseases. The common pests include aphids, diamond bark moth, and also the melon fly, which tends to destroy the fruits, and hence they start to rot and won't mature. Also, the diseases include powdery mildew, downy mildew, and also bacterial wilt. You should try to control these diseases by cultural and biological means, which is what I advocate for safer foods that will impact your health significantly. You may choose to take measures like maintaining field sanitation through weeding, removal of debris. You can also prune diseased parts, and also you can use beneficial insects in your farming. It takes between 90 to 120 days to mature. For you to know if your pumpkin is matured, they tend to change their color from green to yellow, though some varieties will remain green. When harvesting pumpkin, you should harvest with a knuckle. Harvesting with the knuckle helps keep the pumpkin for a longer period of time, unlike if you harvest without a knuckle. Pumpkins can weigh even up to 8 to 10 kgs depending on how you've managed the crops in terms of nutrient application, water application, and pest and disease control. It is possible to get 10 to 15 pumpkins per plant when you do proper management, and this will translate to 40 to 50 tons per acre. This is very ideal crop if you want to make money and incur less production cost. Harvesting pumpkin leaves, you don't cut the leaf from the base. You cut at least 6 centimeters away from the vine so that you don't affect the vine, which may end up rotting. For pumpkins which have flowered, you should not pick leaves closer to the flowers. You try to pick them far away so that you don't affect the flowers, which have a tendency to rot. You can conserve pumpkin leaves through drying in the sun and then storing them, and also you can do blanching where you boil and then you dry and keep. It can be kept for even a year and it doesn't lose so much taste and nutrients. Pumpkins can also be processed into products like flour, where you slice the pumpkins, dry them, and then you mill them into a fine flour that can be mixed with other flours like wheat flour to prepare chapatis, and also it is very good in baby foods, especially the porridges. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. Thank you for tagging along. Until the next one, keep growing guys.